You've found the perfect flat in Manchester, or maybe you've finally spotted that car you've been dreaming of. You go to hit apply, and then that familiar knot forms in your stomach. What if the computer says no? In the UK, your credit score is basically your financial CV. It doesn't matter how hard you work or how much you've saved if the big three agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, think you're a risk. But here's the thing. The system isn't a mystery. It's a game with very specific rules. Most people are accidentally sabotaging themselves without even knowing it. Today, I'm giving you the money-mad fast track. We're going to cover 5 pillars that will help you improve your credit score quickly, safely, and without falling for those quick fix scams that actually do more harm than good. Welcome back to the Money Mad. Let's get your score into the excellent zone. Pillar number 1 is the 5-minute foundation. Before you do anything else, you have to prove you exist. In the UK, the single quickest way to boost your score is to get on the Electoral Roll. Even if you have no intention of voting, being registered at your current address tells lenders that you are stable and easy to verify. It can jump your score by 50 points almost overnight. While you're at it, check your credit reports for ghost accounts. These are old credit cards or store cards registered to an old address in Leeds or Bristol from 5 years ago. If your address history doesn't match across all your accounts, it's a massive red flag for identity checks. Update your addresses, get on the roll, and make sure your name is spelled exactly the same on every bill. It's boring, but you can't build a skyscraper on shaky ground. Pillar 2. The credit utilization sweet spot. This is where most people get it wrong. They think that having a credit card with a £5,000 limit and only using 4,900 of it shows they are a big spender. To a lender, it looks like you're desperate. Your utilization ratio is the percentage of your available credit that you're actually using. The golden rule in the UK is to stay under 30%. If your limit is £1,000, try to never let your balance exceed 300. If you're currently sitting at 90% utilization, your score is being dragged through the mud. You don't necessarily need to pay it all off today, though that helps. But simply spreading the balance or asking for a limit increase without a hard search can instantly lower your ratio and puff up your score. Pillar 3 is the open banking turbocharge. We are living in 2026, and the old way of calculating credit scores is changing. Tools like Experian Boost or the features in apps like ClearScore and Pillar allow you to use your regular, everyday habits to your advantage. By safely linking your current account via open banking, you can get credit for things that used to be invisible. Are you paying your council tax on time? Do you pay for Netflix or Spotify every month? Do you consistently put money into an ISA? In the past, the credit agencies didn't care. Now they do. These small, regular positive behaviors can give you an instant lift, especially if you're a thin-file borrower, someone who hasn't had much credit in the past. It's safe, it's encrypted, and it's a literal cheat code for a better score. Pillar 4. The credit builder strategy. If your score is currently in the bin, no mainstream bank is going to give you a platinum card. This is where you use a credit builder card. These cards, from providers like Vanquis or Aqua, often have eye-watering interest rates. We're talking 35% or more. Rule of thumb. Never, ever carry a balance on these. You use the card for one small thing a month. Maybe a tank of petrol or a meal deal. And you set up a direct debit to pay it off in full every single month. You aren't using this to borrow money. You're using it to perform for the agencies. You are showing them, month after month, that you can be trusted to pay back what you owe. After 6 months of this, your score will likely have recovered enough to move on to better products with lower rates. Pillar 5 is managing the hard search hunger. Every time you formally apply for credit, a loan, a new phone contract, even some car insurance monthly plans, the lender does a hard search on your file. If you do 3 or 4 of these in a month because you're shopping around, it looks like you're in a financial tailspin. It screams, "Help, I need cash," and your score will plummet. To improve your score quickly, you must stop applying for things. Use eligibility checkers instead. Most UK lenders now offer a soft search that tells you if you'll be accepted without leaving a mark on your file. If an eligibility checker says you only have a 20% chance, don't hit apply. Wait until your score improves or find a different product. Space out your formal applications by at least 6 months to keep your file looking clean. So let's recap the money-mad path to a better score. 1. Register to vote and align your addresses. It's the fastest win available. 2. Keep your credit utilization under 30% to show you aren't reliant on debt. 3. Use open banking tools to get credit for your council tax and subscriptions. 4. Use a credit builder card for tiny purchases and pay it off in full every month. 5. Avoid hard searches like the plague and use eligibility checkers instead. Improving your credit score isn't about being rich, it's about being predictable. Lenders love boring people. They love people who pay the same amount on the same day every single month. By following these 5 pillars, you're telling the UK's financial system that you're a safe bet. You're opening the door to lower mortgage rates, better credit card deals, and ultimately, a more secure financial future. If this video helped you feel a bit more money confident, do us a massive favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to The Money Mad. We're on a mission to help everyone in the UK master their money without the jargon. Leave a comment below. What's your current credit score goal? Or have you tried Experian Boost yet? Let us know how it worked for you. Check out our other videos on how to save for a house deposit or how to navigate the 2026 ISA rules. Thanks for watching, keep your files clean, and stay money mad. I'll see you in the next one.